Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the scene so your viewport changes behave predictably. First, open the Layout workspace and make sure the 3D viewport is active. This ensures the keys you press affect the right area. If you don't have a numpad, enable numpad emulation in Preferences so view shortcuts work. Once done, hide overlays and gizmos to reduce visual clutter. This makes it easier to judge camera framing and object orientation as you change views. Now you perform the detailed viewport navigation and alignment steps. Use numpad 1, 3, and 7 to jump to front, right, and top. Toggle between perspective and orthographic with numpad 5 to control depth perception. For manual framing, orbit with middle mouse, pan with shift plus middle mouse, and zoom with the scroll wheel so you can precisely position elements. If you want the camera to match your viewport, choose View, then Align View. Then align active camera to view. This locks the scene camera to your current view. Finish by locking and saving the viewport state so your changes persist. Select the camera, enable Lock Camera to View if you want interactive adjustments, and set and save a viewport shading mode, solid material or rendered, for consistent previews across sessions. Make sure to save your startup file or workspace if this becomes your default setup. If you ever lose your object or view, press numpad period or choose View Frame selected to center the view. This resolves most disorientation issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.